Hello sir, I am Umang Mehta from Team-31, here to present you about our project on page replacement algorithm with Belady's anomaly. And we are using PyCharm IDE to run our code. And this is our code. Let's run GUI. So let's take this example. And the only algorithm which suffers from Belady's anomaly is first in, first out. Beladry's anomaly states that if the number of frames are increased, the page fault should decrease. But in case of first in, first out, it's the opposite. The page faults increases by the increase of number of frames. Let's see by this example. So we have 9 page fault and 3 page hit. And by this graph, you can clearly see that at 3 frames, we have 9 page fault, and at 4, you have 10 page fault. So the page fault increase by increase in frames. So let's move to second algorithm, that is second chance algorithm. So it has 10 page fault and 2 page hit. And by this graph, you can clearly see that the page fault decreases with the increase in number of frames. So it does not suffer from Belady's anomaly. Now the third one, that is random page replacement algorithm. So we have 10 page fault and 2 page hit. And by this graph also, you can clearly see that the number of page fault decreases with the increase in number of frames. So let's move to the fourth algorithm, that is optimal page replacement algorithm with the same example. So here we get 8 page fault and 4 page hit. And by this graph, you can clearly see that the number of frames decreases with the increases of number of frames. So it also does not suffer with Belady's anomaly. The last algorithm, that is last in, last out with the same example. Let's see. So here we get 8 page fault and 4 page hit. And by this graph also, that is number of page fault versus number of page frame, uh, the number of page fault decreases with the increase of number of frame. Therefore, it also does not suffer with Paladis anomaly. By this experiment, we can clearly notice that only first in, first out suffers from Beladi's anomaly. Other algorithm does not suffer from Beladi's anomaly. Thank you.